Ozone-free. Our most popular air purifier series is back with an all-new smart model. LEVOIT air purifiers avoid using UVC light, which is especially harmful for asthma sufferers and pets. Genuine replacement filters. For the best performance and longest lifespan, use genuine LEVOIT replacement filters. Use the in-app feature to monitor your filter life. When it's time for a fresh filter, search Core 200's RF. Effective purification. The compact frame and 360 degrees design help the Core 200's purify the air wherever you put it, refreshing the air 5 per hour in rooms as large as 183 square feet, 17 square meters. The optimal air cleaning performance can only be delivered by powerful motors installed on products over 6 pounds. Improved filtration. While the ultra-fine nylon pre-filter and high-efficiency activated carbon filter capture large particles and absorb odors and fumes, the H13 True HEPA filter captures 99.97% of airborne contaminants 0.3 microns in size, ridding your environment of dust, pollen, pet dander, mold spores, and more. Quiet operation. With noise levels as low as 24 decibels, the Core 200's cleans your air without keeping you up at night. For a completely uninterrupted sleep, turn off all lights with the display off button. Access anywhere. With the VSync app, you can control your smart air purifier from anywhere. Adjust settings while you're in the other room, at the office, or out walking the dog. Voice control. The Core 200's is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can use your air purifier without having to lift a finger. Set schedules. Using the VSync app, you can program timers or create customized schedules so you'll always have fresh air exactly when you want it. Easy setup. To get started, simply turn on the Core 200's and open the VSync app. There you'll find easy instructions to connect your air purifier. Once setup is complete, you'll be able to control the air purifier with your smartphone or the display panel. Top reviews from the United States. Great machine. Love this thing. Like most, I bought this specific model because I liked the smartphone connectivity feature. After using it for about a week now, I can say that this thing is an absolute beast. I have it placed in my room, and if something in the kitchen starts to smell up my room, I can very easily open the app and crank up this air purifier and it will get rid of the smell in no time. The sleep mode on this is amazing. It's almost dead silent and it can go completely dark, however I found that I like to leave the purifier on low during the nighttime just because I like the white noise of the fan. I do leave mine on 24/7, and so far after a week of continuous use I have used about 2% capacity of the provided filter. The filter life is shown straight from the app and they make it super easy to buy another filter once the one you have starts to wear out. A couple button presses and the app will direct you straight to the Amazon page of the exact filter you need. Overall, this air purifier does what it claims, and it does it well and consistently, and that's what I look for in any product. 5 stars all around.